Ara usema yensa akane se enwada enam insuyu ache se epiemu ewo eye Accra mantem no baabi enam so ema ebra na insu no etoto no ye wo yesache se egugu ye light post ne so ewo so no ebi etimi etitigu form enam so ema sabram no kasa de electrocute edipa bi ama sabre moto nanom ewo nsie do a emu bi nso de chesese no yentimi enhu omachi kwan se ebia nsuo ni kwa afa omukọ anasa diempo na esie eti sabre ukopiemu ewo Alajo a eho na sabre de saa arehusemi akwakosi electrocution bi akoso ni nyina eye nsu yiri anasa nsuo totototo a enra dadie kopiemu wonka mema chese ye nyina ye dwen ho a ye ntiase ebusuan yenko ni enhwe sede nsuo no esi eye ewo enra Accra mantem no baabi Mompa ye maye nwanum a mo Greater Accra region sanse ene de arehosem nko a ena ekoso ewo ho na sabre ye chirema insuyiri kase bi ena chese ababeto kunma enya asemketoa ena nkasa de chin no weda na ye ne ho bibi ewo ho ewiema ye se kusu bebo ho ewiema ye tum nenso enso no entoye bebi nso ho de a eni enso no etoye pana sabre ubepiemu ewo Ghana Greater Accra region a eho no na chese ye chirema insubrani bi so na etoye no anto sa keke ato asayiri sabra me no kase de chese we screen ni so a inso e na ayu a chese di nipa no bi kwa ekọ na niema de bebre na e na ede ekro e na ball ahodo nso a etwe de abusunya chese eye pani ebehwe sabra we screen ni so be hu se yesi baabi nso a ekwan bi eno nso ekọ cycle eho nso chese ene nso a eyiri wo ho ni chese amanfo na abrubru nso imu niema bọbọ mu a enye asem ketwa chese okopiemu ewo Greater Accra region fa baabi enne ya de a enye nipa dodo na aye mobo a enye asem ketwa na wohwe video na obeti se obi nso kasa ewo atwa wo chem se we kum chacha area
rescue team kum chacha area behind Malam station behind Malcolm. Please, we need the rescue team. Please, we need an assistance so people are dying in their room. The whole place is flooded with water. We are begging for an assistance.
Our no so ma direction saying ka rescue team no omuntimi embo modi amepim mo honom fambeje wo mo so na enti ya yensa esa etimi akanso etwese ye fire service team na anase rescue team no mokwa eba bebo mo no wo mo so insuri ni nti mo so ababeka ba bi a omuntimi kwampo emme wo mo na campese Amonso ababeje wo mo ebusia sabre do bia nko ni kotodwa ni me yemfa mpaibo enter Greater Accra region for na 3 any part of the region sabre mo experience insuyiri.
Ghana's capital, Accra, has been hit by severe flooding following several hours of heavy rainfall on Monday. Major roads across the city have been submerged, causing traffic disruptions and leaving many commuters stranded. Overflowing drains have worsened the situation in several areas, while emergency services continue rescue operations for residents trapped in flooded homes. Firefighters are also battling a blaze at a rubber factory near Kwame Nkrumah Circle amid the challenging conditions. The floods have disrupted activities in some schools, prompting the government to urge residents to stay indoors and work from home.
I'm being careful too. Thank you for looking up for me. I believe someone can even open a provision shop after siphoning all these things. Because see, they keep coming. I mean, look, just look at the far end. Just look at the far end. So I learned it's a warehouse. Yeah, it's a warehouse, and then they supply these things. These things you are seeing here: chewing gums, toiletries. I mean, gas cylinders. See, there's another gas cylinder coming through. These guys are literally risking their lives. If you just join us, please follow.